is a gig economy. We hire you for the project, and after the project, you're jobless. There is no such thing as back to normal. Welcome to the next normal. Future of work is no work unless you position yourself on something what we call critical skills. If you are not comfortable doing this kind of thing, and you think things can go back to normal, you are sorely mistaken. As you know, COVID brings a lot of challenges. And what do we say? We say life is a succession of moments. If you survive one moment, you are successful. If Industry 4.0 put machine in the middle of everything, in the name of profit and whatnot, I think it's a wake-up call. I believe it's a wake-up call. And because of this wake-up call, we now need to start putting human in the middle of things. Therefore, a human-centric approach towards the next growth.